Do you have a bad air filter on your Can-Am Commander? Today I'm going to show you how to change that. My name is Kristen, and this is Maintenance Matters. We're going to start by removing the hood to access your air filter box. Your air box lid's held on by 2 clips. Pop those open, pop the lid off. Pop your air filter out. Check for any kind of damaged fins or wet fins. If anything is damaged, you can go on ahead and replace that. This one's not in too bad a shape, so we'll use an air hose to blow that out. Set that aside. Wipe out your air box. Make sure there's no dirt or dust or debris that can get into your air system. Reinstall your air filter. Press firmly down on the spine on the air filter. Make sure it snaps into place. Wipe down your air box lid. Reinstall the lid. Reinstall the hood. And that's how easy it is to change your air filter on your Can-Am Commander. Happy riding.